Hello friends, if you are facing a challenge with respect to using a digital signatures on Acrobat forms and the file size is going haywire, then today we'll learn how to fix that. There is a setting in Acrobat Reader which you need to do before using the digital signature in any Acrobat forms. That is, you have to go to Edit, then Preferences. In Edit Preferences, you will see the various categories. Under that, you will have to go in the category called Signatures. There are 4 options in that. The first option is a creation and appearance. In that, you have to uncheck this option called Include Signature Revocation Status. Click on OK. Then go to the verification, where you will see that required certificate revocation checking to proceed whenever possible during the signature verification. Uncheck this option. Click on OK, click OK and come out of it. Close your Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and reopen it and try to sign digitally. Now your file size will be within the limit. Thank you.